Hey, fifth grade, are you getting too many emails from me? Well, guess what? Most of those emails really aren't from me. Most of those are coming from Google Classroom. But you can control that and turn off some of those emails because you really don't need all the notifications from Google Classroom. So let's turn off some of those notifications together. Go to your Google Classroom dashboard. Come up to the three bars and scroll all the way down to Settings. Once you're in Settings, the first set is your email notifications. You could turn off all email notifications, but you probably don't really want to get rid of all of them. So keep this top one clicked on, and then go through and figure out what you want to unclick. You don't need most of these emails, and you don't need most of these notifications. So you can go through and turn off when you get notifications for certain classrooms. Go through and experiment what works for you, because you do want to be able to see when you have an important email that's actually coming right from me.